Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, it appears we're off-roading. Woo-wee! That's some serious off-roading.
You know where you're going today?
Well, here's my plans. There's a place called Works Yard, or Yard Works. What's it called?
Works Yard.
Works Yard, that I can understand has a pool. I even brought my swimming trunks just in case. It's a nice place to get in. Although I got an ocean. I know there's water there. So if all else fails and I feel like I'm getting wet, I can jump in there. There's no electricity at home, people. It's kind of a bummer. I don't know if they accidentally cut a line doing all their road work or what. But that's one of the things about living in Jamaica. There's not hardly a week's go by you don't lose electricity for a while. Definitely not a month goes by. Usually it's more like a week. Sometimes almost every day you lose it for, a little shut off and back on again. But it's been off for a while today. So we were going to come out filming anyway. So I don't know why I needed to tell about the electricity, but that's what I did. So here we have a little crossroads. This is interesting. I think if I went to the right, it would take us to the back end of Golden Grove where the primary school is. That'd take us into Golden Grove Primary. If I go left, it'll take us over to Orange Walk.
Yeah, I know. This is definitely take us.
Is it called Orange Walk? Yeah, Orange Walk. Yeah. So we're going to go to Orange Walk. Anyway, and then we're going to go back around through Duncan's Field.
Duncan.
I'm glad you straightened me out because I had a lot of people straighten me out on that. You can probably see the hood of my car on this video. I did that on purpose because I want you to see the back road and all the work, all the everything we go through to bring you these wonderful films. Look at this field here. That could really be something. You could plant something there. I don't know what, but you could plant something there.
Yeah, somebody look like they cut it out.
Somebody had it all cleared out, ready to go. Had all the old cane land gone. And then didn't do anything.
There you go.
Anyway, the other day I was looking at the map and I thought, where should we go? And this Works Yard came up. I thought, that can't be right. I'd never heard of such a place. It's just so close by. Well, it turns out it is close by. And it's not far. It's just beyond Duncan Field.
People cut out this for farm.
What's that, dear?
I said, look like somebody cutting out somewhere to do farming.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of overcast today. It wasn't earlier. Okay. This is the road to take me past Orange Walk. We're in St. Thomas, people. And I'm Tom.
And I'm Madge.
And this is my lovely wife, Madge.
Look at
what's going on here, people. We didn't know about this.
You see how wide the road is?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Well, this isn't part of the regular road work. This is some other deal. I mean, this isn't the, making the...
No, it's not.
It's not the check deal, but this is some sort of a big road work thing that's going to be done here.
To the drains and the... But remember, they're going to fix these roads.
They're going to fix these roads too, yeah.
So...
Well, I didn't know about this, but this is good. They really...
Yeah. But you see how wide the road is? The mud and
Yeah.
things
Oh, just and it's the same on the other side too.
watch those what are them?
Those
Garlands.
garlands.
Yeah, getting worms.
egrets?
They're getting the egrets. They're getting worms.
Ooh, look at him doing a wheelie, popping a wheelie.
I saw it pulling out the worms out the dirt.
I didn't know this was going to be a road construction video. It turns out it is. Turns out it is.
Yeah. Oh, serious road construction. Mm-hmm.
Wow. Isn't that something?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Okay, St. Thomas Technical High School, home of the Eagles. They must be on lunch or something because there's children sitting all about.
Mm-hmm. And eating. It's big. When I was going there, it was 3 buildings. Now so many buildings.
Oh yeah. Well, when I moved here, that wall wasn't there.
No, I remember
That big wall that covers the whole front side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Things have changed rapidly the last few years.
The thing is, about cleaning off the road and doing the sides.
Yeah.
You've got to do more than just clean the sides off because they're just going to fill right back in again if there's not proper drainage and it's allowed to bush back up again.
Yeah, I see. There's a culvert there, and
how many times has this been cleaned off to where you could see down in the valley there?
It goes right back,
and then suddenly you can't.
I see it's going up back again.
Yeah, see the tower from the sugar factory over there, kind of a landmark when you're down here. And here's the Duckenfield Hampton Court corner. And we're going to go Duckenfield because we're going to go find this
works yard.
Works yard. No mower here, people. They're not using mowers to get these weeds out of here. They're using, or like that heavy equipment. It's a lot of manual labor in these parts. Lots of manual labor, If you're a Jamaican, you have to know how to work hard.
Oh.
That's for sure. They really, really have to do physical, labor. Now, a lot of desk jobs, there's some to be had. Because of my hip, I had to pursue Okay, I'm going to go down here to see what this road does here, people. There's the old theater. We've been by here before. Well, I'm going to go down this road here and see where it takes me. See what I see.
Dede.
Hmm? Oh, here's a preschool.
Yeah.
First step, preschool, early childhood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well,
these are the
Nice
food for the poor houses.
mm-hmm. But it's a nice little neighborhood over here. That looks like a shop there.
So I think it's
Or a shop on the front of somebody's house, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. An old cane cart. Oh, that truck we saw on the road when we were setting up our cameras.
So,
down
isn't
there.
somebody else yard going?
No,
Is that somebody yard this?
no.
All right.
This is the road that goes through here.
Where? Where?
I thought the road went right through there, but I was mistaken. I thought the road went around in a loop, you know? It doesn't seem like it does. You know?
I think these ones are.
I thought I could, get over to the next
As
road.
I'm looking on it, I didn't see it. Yeah.
It doesn't seem like we can.
What if you go?
Well, let's keep going down this way. Let's do that.
Because I think it will take us back to the same place if the road continues.
We should be talking about some of the pretty flowers we see in the people's yard there. We're off-roading today, people. Got the cameras turned down.
See another vehicle that busy place.
Yeah.
Huh.
Okay.
So where this take you?
I don't know where that takes you. Some one of those farms over there. This one back here will take us maybe to where we're trying to go. And this is where they've cleaned the ditch out. See? Because if the ditch doesn't stay cleaned out and it rains hard,
Well, people are gonna be washed out.
people are going to end up with water in their
And to me,
yard.
where that house is really turning to that yard, it could be estate land or bump corner, like somebody's land come down there. And
I hope this road comes out somewhere. I hope I don't have to back all the way out of here. Because I don't see anywhere I could possibly turn around.
Wow.
Ah. People, we're doing some exploring. Yeah. I hope. Oh, look at the farm to the left here.
Yes, yeah, they're doing.
They got the
farming
drip.
over this
They
side.
got the drip.
I saw banana.
See, they got the drip
color
irrigation things.
They have color low.
Mm-hmm.
To go.
That's the road that'll take me back to the main road there, but I'm going to go this way. That road to the right, I think, would take me back to
Or
the...
that vehicle coming and we
Yeah.
yes, you have to wait until you come out.
Mm-hmm.
And then back to works yard again down here.
Mm-hmm. The works yard's down there to our left,
Mm-hmm.
but this road looks too treacherous over here to go. So we're gonna go over here by the sugar factory.
And go around.
Yeah, and go around this way. I've never been down that little road over there.
Of course, we've been there.
There's the Bell Rock Road.
Yeah, we
Bell Rock.
Yeah,
I don't.
I think we drive from that way.
Isn't it
and
just
come
a dead
around.
end?
Yeah, come around.
Just a dead end. You turn around and come back.
I think it's a dead end something like. I don't remember.
Oh.
I don't remember.
Well,
I thought it was gonna go around that way. I don't know. Don't around that way.
I don't know. I can go down that way.
I don't know.
You thought I was going to go
See
where?
somebody there we could ask.
No, to the works yard.
Mm-hmm.
I think the works yard goes down this road here.
No, because we come here already, so I don't know.
Yeah, but we didn't take it. We decided to take the scenic route.
And something.
Huh. Okay, people, we're going to try to take this little road here. I think I can get through here. I think if I come over here, just got to find my right spot, you know.
See, one time it used to be asphalted.
Yeah, it used to be asphalt. Now you got to watch for places you could get punctured.
That's all the barracks house used to. They were made only for one person, like one man to live, but then they start to bring in family.
Oh, each is a little room.
Then they start to bring in family.
Okay.
Yeah. Make big family.
Oh, see the little baby goat.
I didn't know that they just have barracks down here.
Mm-hmm.
And they're raising something in that.
Uh-huh. Well, look at the water running down the road here. Did it rain, or you think there's maybe a water leak somewhere?
I don't know. What to say, I don't know. This place looks so different. You have a barracks two side.
Okay, it looks like some people take the high road here, which is what we're going to do, is take the high road. Because the low road, excuse me, I could get stuck in the low road. Okay, a little something here. Wow.
But vehicle been coming here, you can see.
Oh, I hit a piece of cane in the road and it plopped up and hit the side of the car. Scared me to death.
Vehicle been coming here.
Yeah, people been coming down here. I need to go slow. I don't know if I got enough clearance here or not. Some people have been driving over there, but I can't get over there now. I've already committed. I can't get over to the left. I've committed to the right.
You can't drive like over here, so?
Right here I could probably get over.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to get high-centered if I... There we go. There we go.
Oh, I see some water over there.
I don't want to get over that far. Over there,
Yeah, it's deep water too, and it has things growing on top of it.
Ooh.
Crocodile could be in it.
You know, it could be, sweetie. It could be in crocodile territory. Used to be a cane field over here to the right side, and it's been burned off.
Yeah. And I see something else is going on over there. See barbed wire fence. At the front.
And there's some cattle over there. People who run cattle.
Yeah. See the water? See,
oh, yeah.
Crocodile good be in it, just.
Ooh.
I don't know where.
Wow.
Oh, see, the river go down.
I
I don't even know where works at the rise anymore.
It's right there. I see it. I see it. And then the road keeps on going around over there. I don't know where.
I know where it works. Yeah,
Oh, there's a little bridge over there, but I'm going to.
You could go to Holland.
Oh, here. See, it works. Look, there's people here. Hey? Yeah. Oh, this is Workshop right here. Huh.
Oh, so so that's what they call
Let's see. See who's going to jump in?
the floodgate.
Is he going to jump in?
I don't know.
Whoa! Look at ah! Did you see him?
Mm-hmm.
I hope the camera's down far enough to catch that.
I did.
Oh, you forgot about your microphone.
Yeah.
Oh, here. It's up in here, sweetie. You got it clear up here. Oh. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, here. You can just hook it here. You were going to get out?
yeah, I want to look.
Okay, here. Let me put this in park so I don't drive into the water.
Huh.
Okay, there's that. And then here you'll need this too. And this you can just, hook on your waist. I'm going to do the same.
It's look different.
Yeah. Wow.
Going to that part. Not here to that.
That's not that deep over here, but how about over? Huh? Oh, we want to went in there. Okay. Wow. Uh-huh. I guess I could have walked with one of the cameras.
So this water is coming from its own planting garden.
Uh-huh. I think I'll walk with one of the cameras. All right, I'm going to walk with one of the cameras, people. You guys okay to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. You okay to be on YouTube? Okay. Think I can go down here without... Watch him, watch him, watch him. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's one way to rinse your hair quick. Our voices should pick up pretty good. Hopefully the microphone I'm using is picking up on the camera in the car, but this is the one that's picking up the picture. So I'll have to really sync them well,
Crocodile.
Watch it.
In this water. Crocodile. Crocodile.
There any crocodiles in this water?
Wait up. What's up?
Oh, they don't come right in here.
See those things go along the water. What they are.
Mm-hmm.
So then. I just remember all the shit. Because I know the was like, I mean, like, that's what she's doing.
This road here will go up. This road here goes to the old bridge.
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, yeah, the one over here. And you can drive it, but you can't cross the bridge. You can just go up to the old bridge.
Yeah.
I guess we could do that afterward. We'll see.
Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. I will go. Yeah, don't do
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Well, I'd be afraid to. Oh, you can see little fishes in the water. You can see the fish in the water. Oh, yeah? You ever see any big fish in the water? Any big fish? Just little ones. I'm kind of nervous to go any further, people. I'm chicken. You see some big ones? Okay, maybe I can see it down in there. Looking for the big fish. Oh, I see. You can walk right here. Look. Well, that hold me right there, or will it break? That'll hold me?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I was just checking to make sure it was still going. Oh, yeah. I got to make sure this is still running. Yep, it is. Mm-hmm. We got some big swimmers here today, people. Woo! Nice. Nice one. That was a nice one. You caught some air on that. Just almost like you had a trampoline.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Hey! They're doing flips and all kinds of stuff, you know? It's a great little swimming hole. But thank you guys so much for letting us film you, because our viewers are going to love this. I know they are. They're really going to like this.
Yeah.
We're on Red Button Journal.
Huh?
Our channel is Red Button Journal on YouTube.
Yeah.
So if you got YouTube, that's where you see it. Thank you guys. You're great. You did great. You great stars, great flips, great dives, great smiles. All right, here I come. You want to go down there?
No, no.
No?
Do you think there's a floodgate?
No.
Because a guy way back in the...
There maybe used to be. There probably used to be, see?
Yeah, and there was floodgate here at that time. And he drowned and he's stuck in the floodgate.
See right there? Somebody could get stuck, you know, if they weren't careful.
Yeah.
You got over here, with that water will suck you down. You won't be able to get out.
And 2 people that wasn't doing because of that.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to put your head right there where that water comes down. Because it would just suck you in, you know.
It was more prettier than this. And, you know, back in the days.
Well, these kids have pretty good... Did you see?
But this part is nice. Yeah,
you know, it's not all that deep, but they really can flip and everything.
Yeah. It's good. It did run up.
Yeah. Yeah.
They go over this side, you know.
If you were over here talking to yourself, it was picking up in the mic, you know. All right. Okay, people. That was so cool.
That maybe the road was over that side, and I don't know. One used to go.
Well, here's what you're getting confused with down here. See, the road goes down that way to the right, and then one over here goes across the bridge. And let's see where this goes.
Well, it must put this one that take us to Holland. This one.
No,
Is that
no, no. This takes us to the
to where?
to the old bridge.
So that the whole bridge that will take you to Holland. Back in the days.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm not sure where all this goes to, but I'm going to turn around so I don't get lost out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I think we go straight down there to go on the old bridge.
Oh.
We call it the swinging bridge.
The swinging bridge. Yes, that's the one.
But it's kind of demolished now, I have to say. You can't use it anymore. Because those bridges are from slavery time.
Yeah.
I remember we used to walk on the wood. It has wood. The top of it was wood.
Mm-hmm.
And some of them were like get rot and so on. So you have to be careful when you walk on it. There is so much empty land here, you know? So much land.
Yeah, really is.
Yeah, mango tree. When mango coming, this mango tree kind of low. I don't know what kind.
Oh, look at the mangoes on it too.
But I'm saying, yeah.
Wow. You want to walk over there and get some?
But those mango young, they don't sit. And look at the tree low.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a footpath goes right to them.
Yeah. So.
Oh, look at the water here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the water here, people.
Yeah. And so you come over here, you go right down to Holland Bay.
Yeah, that goes right down. And then there's this road here that follows. Maybe that's the road that goes down to the swinging bridge. I don't know. I don't know.
No, I think it's a straight.
Because
this was like a main road, straight to go down to Holland.
I'm going to stay up on the high side going back, I think. Well, that was fun.
That's the big office over factory, I think. The big
Oh,
office is way down there. That's where
Yeah.
the office people used to work, away from the
Okay.
noise and something.
Ah, look at the duck. Let me
The
back
water
up.
duck. Water duck.
See with the red? See the red down the water, people? I don't know if the camera's... I think you can catch it with the camera. See it?
Yeah.
Just a small duck. Huh.
Enjoying him life.
Enjoying his life in Jamaica. He's a Jamaican duck.
Mm-hmm.
He's an Irie duck.
Yeah. But the duck that goes. So that's how they go. Them to go far from people place. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but they're inside. Some of them.
Some of them are inside the fence and some outside the fence. Well, that was a fun little outing, and I'm so glad those kids were glad to be on video.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, back in the days, you could just drive straight here, go right down to Holland.
Mm-hmm.
And people were living there, working there, in the banana and the coconut industry. People walk all the way from Holland to come, even to Chiswick, who works there.
Wow.
Yes, even to Chiswick, people walk in the evening, you will see ladies and men walking home. I can remember one lady named Miss Jenny. So, a lot of people wanted to work. Watch a pig over there. Watch him. A pig.
Oh.
Pig.
Yeah. I see it.
Mm-hmm. So why didn't fence up this?
See, and they got some more other...
Yeah, barracks were all there.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember we used to, what they call, we used to be catching our tilapia when the dam was drying up. I think the dam come right here. I don't even know. I don't remember where it was. And the tilapia would be like, you have to say, in mud like, because the water dry leave them like this time of year, March, April, when it's really sun hot.
Yep. Quite the view of the old factory from here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It'd take a lot to get it going again, looks like.
Yeah, because I see like they pull out some of the parts that maybe they sell them or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What you?
Yeah, that little baby goat sure is cute. Oh, that little ram is going to be mean to him.
I know ram, isn't
Or I mean, that's the mother. Scolding him.
Oh, because maybe our young, I don't know. It's not his baby.
Oh, maybe.
See as a younger baby.
Maybe.
It's from somebody else.
Yeah.
The kitchen were made from black, but the house were made from board. And the place, more look lively and so on. You have a line of parks here.
Mm-hmm. Well, that was a big excursion.
Why would somebody buy this estate, buy the factory to do nothing with? Why would you spend your money to buy it?
Well, somebody bought it?
What when some on many occasions I hear that somebody bite
Well, I don't know.
maybe no one don't bite anyhow.
I don't know about that, sweetie.
No, you always hear that somebody wanna bite.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Well, they'd have
Yeah.
to.
Don't have to utilize it. You can't just bite and just have it put down.
No, I have to do something with it.
Mm-hmm. This mango tree is loading. Look at it. It looks like it's a black mango.
Wow, it's really loaded.
Yeah, loaded.
Really loaded. Yeah, wow. Well, guess we'll kind of go through town here and
You don't know how lively this place was when thing was going on. The
oh, I can
market
imagine.
there.
It's still pretty lively.
This was a
nothing
tiny
going
market.
on.
You know, so I look at somebody by this place.
You know who that guy is?
You know?
Isn't that the?
I must be him. Somebody look at somebody by this place.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And because it was bored down, they turned it in concrete. Somebody by it.
Was that the one man that
No, that don't look like
that
you.
we saw that day on the road here?
No.
Was somebody different?
That look like somebody different. Maybe the person saw YouTube and saw.
It could be, or he just being friendly, or Bamboo Corner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that would take us. We could go that way.
Yeah.
That little road that.
That whole yard that I was going in, I think, is the back. All these were supposed to be our family place. It's
Archie's Wholesale and Retail.
Apollo Theater.
The Apollo Theater. You know, there's a Apollo Theater in New York or something. Some famous club
Okay.
that a lot of famous
Yeah.
comedians have got their start there on the Apollo stage.
Yes, I am. Yeah.
And so that's maybe.
This house here is that old house is is that shop in Chiswick.
Duckenfield Block? Oh, they got a big sign and everything out front now. All right, people. Well, let's go ahead and wrap this one up. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed our rather unique excursion, our off-road excursion. It's different than what we typically do, but it's not untypical for Tom and Madge to do. Because that's the kind of fun stuff we like to do for our people, for our viewers and subscribers. So anyway, be sure and like, comment, share, subscribe, and
Bless up yourself.
thumbs up. Tell your friends. It's very important. We're trying to we're on the road to 20,000 people. On the road to 20,000. So big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later, and
Amen.
amen.